guys, Liam here from Street Racers. Just had this grey DC2 arrive, K20 turbo. It's arriving with a slight misfire, so we're just going to do the diagnostic process now and sort of talk you through it. Right guys, so we're just going to put this under some real world testing, really driving simulation on the road, see if we can find any of the misfires. Right guys, as you saw, we just changed plugs around to see if it cures the misfire. Gap them to 0.6. Just going to run the car now, see if it's cured it. So changing the plugs, and we've also changed the coils, didn't solve it. So we're just looking now at the injector wiring and plugs that have been installed on the engine, just to see if there's any sort of wiring faults or anything. It is sort of leaning towards maybe number 4 injector plug, so just giving it a wobble now, seeing what happens. Definitely a change of tone there. Just pull the plug apart now, just see if the pins are connected okay. In there saying he's feeling a little under pressure, trying to take the awkward pins out of the plug on camera.
Without at all.
Without at all, but I'm sure we'll get there.
A few moments later.
Right, that's the pins out of the plug. We'll just hardwire them straight onto the injector now and see if that cures it. And do a run straight after. Right guys, so as you saw, she pulled all the way through, and thank God, because it is dark outside now. So it was just dodgy injector wiring. Really pleased we fixed it. And I think it's my home time now as well. If you'd like to like, comment and subscribe on the videos, we've got plenty more content coming your way.